back to Weems Motor Co. Today, we got to make a little run, pick up some stuff so we can wrap up this bike. Stick around. Alright guys, so one important thing about this bike is that you do not spare any expenses. When it comes to Born Free, you want to make sure that you are using always the best products. And the best products for bolts is a company called ARP. Now ARP doesn't have very many distributors, but I am blessed and lucky here near my house is a distributor within about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go down and pick up some bolts we need to get the motor mounted into the frame. It's been a wild ride, man. This build has been super stressful, super fun, super exciting, and it's been really cool to share these moments and this build with you guys as the process is going on. Today being the first Sunday in June, we just have a few more weeks before we hit the road to California with this bike to visit all of our friends out at Born Free 13. So I wanted to know for you guys, as Weems Motor Co. YouTube has been happening a little over a year, I want to know what some ideas you guys may have for our YouTube channel. Now, you can tell by my face mask that it is love bug season here in Florida. Doesn't make for a fun ride, but maybe that's what you guys enjoy about Weems Motor Co. is when I jump on a bike and I take it out for a ride. Others, they may enjoy me sitting in the shop fabricating parts or working on motorcycles. You know, we have a lot of really cool projects that are coming up. We have the desert sled that's coming up for next year. We also have that Harley Davidson Sportster for the autism charity. And we also have that 1954 Triumph Terrier sitting back waiting to get done. So who knows what's going to happen over the next few months. But that's what I want from you guys, is what do you guys want to see? You guys want me to go to a brewery, have a beer, go check out some restaurants, eat some different food, go hang out with buddies? You know, there's a lot going on that I want you guys to be plugged in. So with that, I want to give everybody watching this video the opportunity to win a Weems Motor Co. sticker pack. You know, usually we do our giveaways every month with our patrons, but I wanted to include all of you guys, just the regular viewers, with a chance to win something cool from Weems Motor Co. All you have to do is simply jump down in the comments below and tell me what you would like to see Weems Motor Co. do for videos over the next few weeks, next few months, because we have so much cool things going on. Do it. Jump down, leave a comment below, tell me what you guys want. Now, as we're on this road trip over here to the Alloy Bolts facility, I just wanted to give you guys kind of a heads up. This is one of only a few places that actually carries in stock ARP fittings, and I can go by and pick them up. Now this place is not open to the public, however I've had the opportunity to build a relationship with these people, and they let me come in and pick up bolts when I need them, and it's all the time. It's pretty fun though, because Michelle, the owner, her husband was a veteran, and it's been a veteran owned business for a very long time. But there is a secret handshake that you have to give in order to enter the building, and it's super fun to do. They have puppies in there. Great little business. We're gonna stop in here really quick, pick up the bolts, get back on the bike, get back to Weems Motor Co. and get this thing going so we can get that motor into the frame. What's up, buddy? How we doing? How you guys doing?
Wearing it to protect his nose.
That's it. What's going on? Look at this guy. He's always on crack.
Oh my God.
At least I got my gloves on this time to protect me a little bit.
Calm yourself. You are such a spaz right now.
He's awesome. Well, thank you guys again so much. Y'all have a great day. Yep. Such cool people. Love the place. In and out super fast. Great to go. Get on the bike. Watch out for the love bugs. Get back to Weems Motor Co. and get this motor into the frame. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get the motor thrown in to number 56, our Born Free build. Got everything taped up, masked off. Pray that we get no nicks or no scratches. Let's get it in there. Success! No scratches! Yes! Well, hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video today. Man, remember, jump down in those comments. Let me know what you want to see around here. But if you are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.